It's been 3 days since I've seen you, and I just can't forget, girl, gets worse. I spend all night trying to feel good, trying to forget about you. I can't forget about you. Oh, I can't explain just what you've done to me. It feels like the rain is pouring all over me. You make me feel free. I wanna believe in you, believe in you. Oh, I just gotta know, will you be there forever? And if I let you go, oh baby, I just gotta know,
Hi guys! Welcome to my YouTube channel again. This is Cheat Hubbard TV. Oh, may dalawang dalaginding doon. So for today's video guys, kakain na naman kami. Kakain na naman yung mga marites. Nakikita-kita na naman ang mga marites nyo guys. So, pinuntahan namin yan si Unloves TV sa place nila doon sa June 1. Kasi late na yan kami nakikita-kita guys, hapon na. Dinner time na yan. Kasi may pinuntahan ako sa umaga. Tapos, pagkatapos ng isa kong trabaho, pumunta ulit ako sa kanila. Kaya hapon na kami nakikita-kita. Pati si Linlin Anito, may pinuntahan rin yan. Nakipag-date. Charot. So, pumunta kami dyan sa paborito ni Unloves TV na restaurant guys. Thai ba yan? Thai noodle restaurant. Hindi ko alam kung Thai ano, fried chicken. Kahit ano ng restaurant yan guys, basta noodles yung kinain namin. So, nag-order kami ng dalawang big bowl. Napakalaki yan guys. Pero kapag ikaw ay gutom naman, kaya mong ubusin yung isang bowl. Sulit na sulit yan guys. Meron siyang meatballs, karne, ano pa yan, mga tofu, may sprout. So ayan. Sinimulan na ni Unloves TV kumain kasi nagugutom na raw siya. Pero ako din guys, nagugutom ako. Napagod ako sa yung dalawa naman, hindi sila nakikita doon sa gilid kasi hindi nakasya yung mukha na pagmumukha namin sa cellphone. Ayan, patawa-tawa na naman si Chita. Pero pag tignan nyo mamaya guys, ang laki ng mga suko niya. Hindi nakikita yung dalawa, pero iikot siya nila vlog mamaya para makita ninyo, magpakyutan yan silang dalawa.
Ako'y kaibigan
So,
mo,
kain na
lagi kasama mo, maging ang buhay ko'y handa para sa'yo. Di kita bibitawan at di hahayaan.
Nahihilo na yung mga manunood love.
Ako'y kaibigan mo, pangako ko sa'yo sa unos o bagyo. Ay kumplin mo ako ang pagmamahalan, wagas sa totoo.
Yun pang more love. Linlin, lumingon ka raw at magpakinggan.
Hanggang ako'y nabubuhay, lagi nakakaraan.
So, enjoy kain lang guys. So, thank you for watching. Enjoy watching.
Hindi mag-iiwanan kahit ano ang laban. Ang pagkakaibigan ay ganyan. Ako'y kaibigan mo, lagi kasama mo, maging ang buhay ko'y handa para sa'yo. Di kita bibitawan at di hahayaan. Ako'y kaibigan mo, pangako
empty. The only thing I can see is my own silhouette. I'm getting stronger, step by step. The clock is ticking, but there's no time for regrets. I've been flying from town to town, from London to Taiwan. I've been all around the globe, trying to protect your soul. We are heroes tonight. We will fly above the sky. We are heroes tonight. Yeah. We are heroes tonight. We will fly above the sky. We are heroes tonight. Feel like a dynamite, ready to explode right up in the sky. I need you to listen, I need you to hear, and don't show any fear. I've been flying from town to town, from London to Taiwan. I've been all around the globe, trying to protect your soul. We are heroes tonight. We will fly above the sky. We are heroes tonight. Yeah. We are heroes tonight. We will fly above the sky. We are heroes tonight. Town to town, from London to Taiwan. I've been all around the globe, trying to protect your soul.
All my life I've been waiting for, I've been crying for the people to say that we don't wanna fight no more. There'll be no more war, and our children will play one day, one day. One day, one day, one day, one day. Start to bounce, win or lose, 'cause we all lose, but they're feed on the souls of the innocent, blood-drenched pavement. Keep on moving, though the water's still raging. And in this place, you may lose your way. Might drive you crazy, but don't let it slip you away. No way. Sometimes in my tears I drown, but I never let it get me down. So when negativity is around, I know someday it'll all turn around. Because all my life I've been waiting for, I've been crying for the people to say that we don't wanna fight no more. There'll be no more wars, and our children will play one day, one day, one day, one day, one day, one day. One day is how we change, should be about the same. Stop with the violence, down with the hate. One day we'll all be free and proud to be under the same sun, singing songs of freedom. Why,